Hi everyone, this is a quick recap on the lesson relations and function. Under this we are going to discuss about relations. So before we could start with this, let's have some basic idea about subset. The meaning of subset is a part of. To explain it better, let's start this with a scenario. I'm going to conduct a survey on students' favorite subject among maths, physics and chemistry. Let's refer to them as M Maths, P Physics and C Chemistry, and I'm going to name the set as A. In this survey, the possible combinations of answers I can expect would be either only maths or physics or chemistry, or it can be two subjects, maths physics or maths chemistry or physics chemistry, or it can even be all the three subjects, maths, physics and chemistry, or in certain cases it is none of these. So we have arrived with 8 different possibilities, and every possibilities are a subset of a main set A. M is part of a set A, P is a part of a set A, even M, P, C is a part of a set A. Therefore, all the 8 possibilities are a subset of a set A. And we do have a formula to find out the number of subset of a set, and the formula is 2 raised to the power of n. Over here, 2, how many elements we have? 1, 2, 3. So it is 2 raised to the power of 3, which is 8. And we have 8 subsets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the basic ideas about subset which are needed for the topic relations. We have a lot more to learn about subset. It's being a quick recap, so we are not going to go deep into it. With the basic idea of subset, now we are going to explore relations. Relations is a subset of a Cartesian product of two sets, and this is the symbol for subset. Relation is a subset of cross product of two sets with some specified condition, where, and this is the symbol for where, the first element belongs to first set, and this symbol is meant for belongs to, and the second element belongs to second set. With an example, we'll try to understand about relations. We have two sets A and B, and the relation is from A to B. If it is from A to B, it means A is the first set and B is the second set, and relation is defined as x comma y such that sum of x and y is odd, where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. We know that relation is a Cartesian product of two sets. So first we shall find the Cartesian product of these two sets. We have found the Cartesian product of two sets. It is 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4 and 2, 5. Now you can get back to the definition of relation. Relation is a subset of cross product of two sets with some specified condition. Now the specified condition is sum of x and y is odd. We'll check that now. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. It is an even number, so I can't take it. 1 plus 4, 5, which is an odd number, so I can take this 1, 4. Next is 1, 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Again, it's an even number, so I won't be able to take it. Next, 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Yes, it is an odd number, so I can take 2, 3. Next, 2, 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Again, an even number. 2 plus 5, 7. Yes, it's an odd number. Now we are done with the answers. A relation is the subset of cross product of two sets. Now we have picked up all the subsets of A cross B with some specified condition, where the first element belong to the first set. 1 1, 2 2, again 2 2, and all the second elements belongs to the second set. 4 4, 3 3, 5 5. Now we are done with the answer. Relation is a subset of Cartesian product of two sets with a specified condition where the first element belongs to the first set and second element belongs to the second set. And I'll teach you more about relations in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.